No!
Tabang!
No!
Tabang! Ah! Pagkira ka bro, sige bro. Hayang bro, ayun. Tulog. Anak. Asa mo dupit sakit mo? Street na, street. Bro, nawag sa pulis bro. Dala ka bro.
Hello, sir. Oh, may udto, sir. Nay na disgrasya sa reserba nang nabanggaan og motor. Naadre sa Bliss Nungguan, Barangay Kulo. Mangayon tanig tabang, sir ba?
Meanwhile,
Eh, 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 eh.
6 months later.
Good afternoon, Kap.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ano ko ay gamay nga tuyo, Kap.
Unsa may
Tuyo
nun, sir?
Mangayon ang ako gamay nga informasyon ni Chadapyag, Kap, bahin sa naba siya mga bad record sa inyong barangay.
Okay, sige, pwede. Miss Glady, paliw ko sa files ni Chedapiag.
Yes, sir. Mga family chat up yes, ha. Hindi pa nito, sir.
Base sa akong nakita, sir, wala may bad record si Chedapiag sa akong barangay. In fact, nga, mayo man yung record din, sir.
Mangayon, ang Kap, wala, Kap. So, Kap, dili na ko magdugay, kay mora na akong gituyo dari, Kap. Thank you so much, Kap.
Sige na.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
Good morning, Judge. Morning niya ang alis ni Apyag.
Okay, please, I'll sit down. Okay, Mr. Apyag, after reviewing the circumstances of your case, considering the recommendations of the probation officer, and evaluating the law, the court finds that you are eligible for probation. Therefore, instead of serving a sentence in jail, you will be placed under probation subject to the following conditions. You must abide by all laws, report regularly to your probation officer, and comply with other specific terms by the court. Failure to follow these conditions may result in the revocation of your probation and the imposition of your original sentence. This is an opportunity for rehabilitation for you, and I urge you to take it seriously. Use this chance to make positive changes in your life, and the court expects you to demonstrate responsibility and prove that you are capable of following the law. Do you understand the conditions set forth in your probation, Mr. Apyag?
Please po, Your Honor.
This meeting is now adjourned.
Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually.
Hello, sir. Taban diri, sir. Nabanggaan ko gubog diri, sir. Mangay kog tabang diri, sir. Nako diri sa Barangay Bogo, Purok Uno.
A few moments later.
All please be seated. Mr. Apyag, this court has reviewed the evidence presented regarding your probation violations. It has been established that you have failed to comply with the conditions set forth in your probation. Specifically, driving while intoxicated, resulting to less serious physical injury. Probation is a privilege granted to individuals as an opportunity for rehabilitation, not a right. By violating the terms of your provisions, you have demonstrated a disregard for the court's leniency. Therefore, this court has no choice but to revoke your provisions. As a result, you are hereby ordered to serve the original sentence of 6 years in prison in the BGMP facility. You will be taken into custody immediately. This court hopes that you will use this time to reflect on your actions and make better choices in your future. This hearing is now adjourned.